The word we'll be diving into in this section is kasegu, a term you'll commonly encounter in discussions about work, finances, and ways of earning a living. Get ready to enrich your vocabulary and sound more fluent. Pasegu. Pasegu. The word kasegu means to earn or to make money. It often implies working diligently to obtain income. The first kanji means earning or working and originally links to planting rice and labor. In the word kagyo, it contributes the sense of work or livelihood, so the whole means a trade or business. In the word dekasegi, it keeps the idea of earning by working, especially going elsewhere to do that work. Think of it as the element that brings the meaning of making a living through labor. He is earning a lot of money. 彼はたくさんのお金を稼いでいます。彼はたくさんのお金を稼いでいます。He works to earn money. 彼は働いて稼ぐ。彼は働いて稼ぐ。He earns a living using his hands. 彼は手を使って稼ぐ。彼は手を使って稼ぐ。My father earns money by working for 10 hours. 父は10時間かけてお金を稼ぐ。父は10時間かけてお金を稼ぐ。The most common synonyms of the word kasegu are eru and mogeru. While eru can mean to obtain in a broader context beyond just financial gains, mogeru specifically refers to making a profit. Each conveys a slightly different nuance of how one benefits or gains. The most common antonyms of the word kasegu are ushinau and rouhisuru. While ushinau means to lose something, rouhisuru refers to wasting resources or money, showing the opposite actions to making or earning.